The conflict between Ukraine and Russia has brought new dimensions to modern warfare, emphasizing technology, strategy, and psychological impact. Among the myriad weapons deployed, drones have emerged as game changers, redefining the rules of engagement. The November 10, 2024, drone offensive by Ukraine against Moscow marked a turning point in this conflict, showcasing the strategic power of unmanned aerial system. This video delves deeper into the events, the technologies involved, and their broader implications. The November 10th attack, a bold strategy. The November 10th drone assault was Ukraine's largest operation against Moscow, with 34 drones targeting the capital and 50 additional drones launched at other strategic sites across Russia. While Russian forces intercepted many of these drones, several penetrated their defenses, causing damage to infrastructure, disrupting flights, and injuring civilians. This attack was a bold demonstration of Ukraine's capability to strike deep into Russian territory, delivering a psychological blow to the Kremlin. Russia's capital, long considered a fortress shielded by sophisticated air defenses, was revealed to be vulnerable. This assault disrupted the daily lives of Moscow's residents and forced the Russian military to reassess its defense strategies. The scale and precision of the attack sent a clear message. Nowhere in Russia is safe from Ukraine's growing arsenal of drones. UJ-22 Kamikaze drone, the star of the offensive. At the heart of this operation was the UJ-22 airborne drone, a product of Ukraine's technological ingenuity. Developed by UJ, the UJ-22 is a versatile unmanned aerial vehicle capable of reconnaissance and attack missions. With its compact size, low radar signature, and extended range of 500 miles, the UJ-22 has become a formidable tool in Ukraine's arsenal. The UJ-22 is equipped to carry a payload of up to 44 pounds, which can include mortar mines, RPG rounds, or a single warhead for kamikaze missions. Its endurance of 6 hours allows it to loiter over targets, gathering intelligence, or waiting for the optimal moment to strike. Its construction, using lightweight materials like plastics, reduces its detectability by radar systems, making it a nightmare for traditional air defense mechanisms. This drone's ability to strike with precision, while remaining cost-effective, highlights a significant evolution in modern warfare. The UJ-22 design exemplifies how relatively inexpensive technologies can deliver devastating results against much larger and costlier defense systems. Challenges to Russian air defenses. Moscow's air defense network, comprising the A-135M strategic missile defense system, S-300 PM-2, S-400 systems, and the Pantsir self-propelled anti-aircraft systems, is among the most advanced in the world. These systems are designed to intercept high-speed, large targets like missiles and aircraft. However, drones like the UJ-22 exploit a critical weakness. They are smaller, slower, and constructed from materials that reduce their radar signature. Urban environments further complicate detection. The radar systems face interference from buildings and other structures, making it challenging to distinguish drones from other objects. Reports indicate that Russian air defenses have occasionally targeted large birds, wasting resources on false positives. Additionally, the cost disparity between defensive measures and the drones they target poses a strategic dilemma. Intercepting a low-cost drone with an expensive missile is unsustainable in a prolonged conflict. This economic imbalance adds another layer of complexity to Russia's defensive efforts. A diverse arsenal. Ukraine's drone strategy. Ukraine's drone arsenal includes several advanced models designed for diverse missions. The UJ-22 Airborne has an 800-kilometer range and 20 kilograms payload, playing a key role in attacks on Moscow. The AQ-400 Scythe, with a 465-mile range and 32 kilograms warhead, excels in swarm operations. The An-196 Lyudi, resembling the Bayraktar TB2, delivers a 50 kilograms payload, targeting depots like Toropets. The UJ-26 Beaver covers 620 miles with 44 pounds of explosives, striking high-profile targets in Moscow. Repurposed from Soviet-era reconnaissance, the Tu-141 Strij serves as a cruise missile with a 620-mile range and 600 miles per hour speed. The Palyonitsia, a jet-powered drone with a 435-mile range, symbolizes Ukraine's blend of innovation and cultural identity. Together, these drones enhance Ukraine's strategic edge in modern warfare. Psychological warfare, the impact on Russia. Ukraine's drone operations have inflicted not only physical damage, but also significant psychological distress within Russia. For years, Moscow was perceived as an impregnable fortress, shielded from external threats. Recent drone strikes have shattered this illusion, exposing vulnerabilities and prompting citizens to question the Kremlin's ability to ensure their safety. Public sentiment in Russia is evolving. While initial support for the special military operation was substantial, increasing casualties and economic hardships are eroding this backing. A survey by the Levada Center indicates that 54% of respondents now favor peace negotiations, reflecting a growing desire to end the conflict. The psychological impact extends to Russia's leadership. Repeated breaches of Moscow's defenses challenge President Vladimir Putin's authority and undermine his narrative of control. For Ukraine, this psychological warfare is as crucial as the physical destruction caused by the drones. A cost-effective approach to modern warfare. One of the most significant advantages of Ukraine's drone strategy is its cost-effectiveness. Drones are far cheaper to produce and deploy than traditional weapons like missiles or fighter jets. This economic efficiency allows Ukraine to sustain its operations and outblast a better-funded adversary. In contrast, Russia faces difficulties in replenishing its air defense systems and munitions due to international sanctions. The economic disparity between the two countries underscores the strategic brilliance of Ukraine's approach. Ukraine's innovative use of drones has redefined modern warfare, demonstrating that technological ingenuity can offset traditional military disadvantages. By leveraging cost-effective unmanned aerial vehicles, Ukraine has not only challenged a more formidable adversary, but also set a precedent for future conflicts, where agility and innovation may outweigh sheer military might. Technological innovation, redefining the rules of engagement. The Ukraine-Russia conflict has underscored the transformative power of technology in modern warfare, with drones playing a pivotal role in reshaping traditional military doctrines. Historically, military strategies emphasized heavy artillery and large-scale troop deployments. However, the agility, precision, and cost-effectiveness of unmanned aerial vehicles have upended these conventional approaches. Ukraine's success in integrating drones into its military operations highlights the importance of adaptability and innovation. By leveraging advanced materials, real-time data transmission, and AI-driven targeting systems, Ukraine has developed a new generation of weapons that challenge the dominance of conventional forces. This technological shift has enabled Ukrainian forces to conduct precise strikes, gather critical intelligence, and execute complex missions with reduced risk to personnel. The development of drones like the UJ-22 Ku-400 Scythe and UJ-26 Beaver exemplifies Ukraine's commitment to technological advancement. These unmanned aerial vehicles offer varying ranges and payload capacities, allowing for tailored responses to diverse battlefield scenarios. The integration of AI-driven systems further enhances their effectiveness, enabling autonomous navigation and target identification, which are crucial in dynamic combat environments. Moreover, Ukraine's focus on cost-effective solutions has led to the mass production of first-person view drones. These relatively inexpensive yet highly effective unmanned aerial vehicles have been instrumental in leveling the playing field against a more heavily funded adversary. The ability to produce and deploy large numbers of drones provides Ukraine with a sustainable means to maintain pressure on Russian forces, disrupting supply lines, targeting critical infrastructure, and gathering real-time intelligence. This technological innovation extends beyond aerial drones. Ukraine has also been developing uncrewed ground vehicles and AI targeting systems, anticipating their increased use in the coming years. These advancements reflect a broader trend towards automation and AI integration in military operations, signaling a shift in the rules of engagement that prioritizes technological superiority and operational efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ukraine's drone strategy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more military insights. And remember, in the world of modern warfare, sometimes the smallest buzz makes the biggest impact. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.